Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to use the Kindle countdown deals to promote your book, and it's really actually very interesting. So,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
you go to your KDP home, you log in, you go to your bookshelf as I just did, and you click on any book. Um, let's say this one, the marketing one. Well, let's say maybe whatever. Yeah, the marketing one. It doesn't matter which one. Manage benefits. So even though it says Kindle Matchbook 199, the Kindle book, the actual Kindle book is 499 for this, right? 495 as you can see. And so you go to Manage Benefits, and you choose not the free book promotion, but you choose the Kindle Countdown deal. Okay. So you click this, create a new countdown deal, and you choose the marketplace. You choose the dates that you want. Usually the best dates are like starting. I like to start on Monday. Some people like to start on Sunday. It really depends on what your book price is, because the way this works is it's gonna be like the first day will be like, let's say your book is 495, like mine. So the first day the price will be 99 cents. The second day price will be 199. Third day will be 299. Next 399, and then back to regular price, right? So it's kind of cool because it creates this sort of scarcity, like you gotta get it today because tomorrow it will be more expensive. But also you want to end on a day that is a high volume internet traffic day, and usually the worst volume internet traffic days are Friday and Saturday. Sunday is okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are usually the best. So you want to start on them, either start on them like a Monday or kind of end on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So it's tricky because you get either you kind of end up, it's hard to fit it well on both ends of that. But at least maybe it's good to start on at least a, like, for me, I always like to start on a Monday because I don't know, Sunday is iffy because really depends on the audience that you're targeting. But Monday is definitely, everyone's online, everyone's at work, people are back to normal. So I prefer Monday. Some people like Sunday. Those are typically the good days for this. So you post your discount, right? You start at any price. So I would start like at 99 cents. Um, you can choose the price increments, all that kind of stuff. So they give you some choices. The dates, which we just talked about. And really, your book becomes 99 cents the first day that you choose. And what happens is, just like if you were promoting your book with a free discount, with a free deal, you would simply promote your book with, in all the same ways you would promote the discount deal, right? And so what you would do is you would go to all the online forums, and again, it's a growthcoupon.com, Black Hat Forum, retailmenot.com, Reddit has a coupon uh, like section, slickdeals.net, fatwallet.com, totally free stuff.com. I guess you don't do. I guess that one you don't do for the countdown because they want free stuff. But okay, so scratch that one, and then retailmenot.com, couponlayer.com, edudealer.com, and then what I like to do is on Twitter and Facebook, what you want to do is promote your book there and use the hashtags deals and discounts and stuff like that, right? So that people who aren't your followers can find you because you use the hashtags deals and discounts, and get your friends to retweet you, because when you get retweeted, you kind of go. If you get a lot of retweets, you kind of end up going to the top of those hashtag categories when people search the hashtags. So your tweet doesn't just disappear within seconds or minutes. It kind of stays up there in that hashtag category, and a lot of people can potentially find you. So that's another neat little trick that I use. Some things you can't do that you would normally do with a free promotion, like you can't post on forums that only promote free books. So things like that. What you could do is buy maybe some Fiverr gigs. I actually have a Fiverr seller that I like, and he's very effective at promoting Kindle books. His screen name is BK Knights, and I'll have a link to that seller on, and I'll have the link to Fiverr for people who are not familiar. And he's got a lot of big audience for people who are into the Kindle books and who like to read them and buy them and see what's new on the Kindle. So he can effectively help to promote your deal, especially if you need to coordinate the exact day. He's typically pretty good at that, even though he's busy. So he's a good resource. I personally use him. I mean, full disclosure, he doesn't pay me to promote him. I just recommend him because I found his service pretty good, actually very good. So the coupons themselves, they should do well. What you can also do is just like in the free with the free deals, um, definitely find all the kind of people who already have access to your audience and just consistently do outreach, especially on that first day. On the first day, all you do is outreach, 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 outreach. And if you want to be extra proactive about it, do the outreach a few days earlier because you want to kind of get people, sometimes people take a day to answer emails or who knows, you don't want to leave it maybe on that same day. I don't think it would make a gigantic difference if you do do the reach out outreach the same day or a few days earlier. But either way, definitely do that hustle piece of just outreach and find the people who have access to your audience and let them know of this deal because maybe they'll be happy to promote the deal to their audiences. And what you have to do basically is with all these efforts, what you've got to induce is enough sales so that because sales is a gigantic metric for Amazon in terms of how they decide to rank books for different keywords. And so you've got to drive your sales to make sure that you end up ranking better so that you blow your competition out of the water, right? And so this is really the magic of the free giveaways on Kindle and these countdown deals. Um, so you've got to really take advantage of it. And if you do take advantage of it correctly, you can do this every 90 days. So you kind of become better at it over time. And you kind of will get to know what works, what doesn't, and things like that. And also, of course, always grow your own audience, whether it's your email list or your blog traffic or maybe a YouTube audience or somebody that you can ping and then say, hey, I've got this promotion right now, buy it. And, obviously few people will buy, especially if it's a paid thing, but any sales, when it's a paid product, any sales helps to accelerate your sales rate, which helps you ultimately to rank. And if you rank, you get far more organic sales over time. So, I mean, this is really, so in Amazon, it's really a race to sell more because then you'll rank better. And that's it. So try this, and I hope it helps you, and good luck.